Welcome to an exciting exploration into the world of automobiles. Gaining automotive knowledge doesn't just empower you, it transforms you into a confident car enthusiast. It's a world where torque, horsepower, and fuel efficiency are not just terms, but keys to understanding the heart of your vehicle. So, buckle up and dive into the fascinating comparison between gas and diesel engines. Firstly, let's delve into fuel efficiency. Diesel engines, often hailed as the champions of efficiency, can travel considerably farther on a gallon of fuel compared to their gas counterparts. This is because diesel fuel has a higher energy density, meaning more energy can be extracted from diesel as compared to the same volume of gasoline. Now consider the cold weather starts. Gasoline engines have an easier time starting in frigid temperatures, as diesel engines require higher temperatures to fire their cylinders. This can be a crucial consideration if you live in an area with harsh winters. As for torque and power, diesel engines typically have more torque, which is the force that gets your car moving. This makes them ideal for heavy vehicles and towing. However, gas engines usually provide more horsepower, which dictates the car's top speed. Next, we'll explore the distinct engine parts and their performance. Diesel engines, renowned for their longevity, can easily clock hundreds of thousands of miles before any major repairs are warranted. Conversely, gas engines, although typically lighter and with a higher rev, offer a smoother and more dynamic driving experience. Though diesel engines may be pricier initially, they compensate this with their lower fuel consumption and extended lifespan. It's crucial to note that this initial price difference is often offset in the long run due to these factors. When we talk about resale value, diesel-powered vehicles are typically more sought after compared to their gas-powered brethren. The inherent durability of diesel-powered vehicles contributes to their high resale value. In addition, the market is rife with high demand for used vehicles, particularly those that provide commendable fuel economy. Now let's shift our focus to examine the environmental implications of both diesel and gas engines. It's noteworthy that while diesel engines are more fuel efficient, they have historically been seen more polluting. But it's important to recognize that modern diesel engines have been making impressive progress in curbing emissions, thereby inching closer to the levels of their gasoline counterparts. In conclusion, whether you choose a gas or diesel engine depends on your driving habits, budget, and personal preferences. But remember, understanding these differences doesn't just make you a more informed consumer, it strengthens your automotive skills. So, share the knowledge. Subscribe to DIY Arch Auto for more fun and informative videos, and don't forget to get your free DIY car maintenance guide. Remember, the road to automotive expertise is a thrilling ride. Stay safe and enjoy the journey.